Want to connect your DJI Mic 2 to your camera like Sony, Canon or Nikon? You're in luck, cause in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your DJI Mic 2 to your camera and one hidden settings that you must turn on for professional audio. First of all, take out the receiver from the charging case, make sure it's on, and if you have any smartphone adapter connected, then detach it. And you can see there's this plastic piece sticking out, which is called cold shoe, and we have to mount the DJI receiver using this cold shoe to our camera's hot shoe or this metal rail. Make sure the receiver screen is facing towards you and then just slide it in like this, and it should go in without any effort. After that, if you look at the right side of the receiver, you're gonna see two ports, but what we need is the TRX out port marked orange. So grab this 3.5mm cable that will be included with your DJI Mic 2 and plug one end into the TRX out, and the other end will go into your camera's mic port. This will be covered with a flap in most cases, so just pop it off and plug it in. Now your receiver is connected to your camera, and your camera's microphone input will switch to it automatically. So, if you want audio, you'll need to take out the transmitters and make sure they're connected to your receiver. But there's a couple secret settings that I teased earlier. So what you're gonna do is swipe down, then go to receiver settings, go right, and you'll see recommended camera settings. Let's select it, and here you'll be able to choose your camera brand. So you can see here we have Sony, Canon, Nikon, Panasonic, and Fujifilm. So we're gonna choose Canon in our case, but if you don't have the brand listed, then keep it to none. And after choosing your camera brand, you can go back and go ahead and choose the model. The one we're using in this video is the EOS R7, which is at the very last of the list. By the way, we are shooting on the R8, which is still not added to the DJI firmware. So if you want to stay up to date, make sure your DJI's firmware is up to date as well. And for that, you can take a look at this short video that I made for you, which is very easy to follow. Now that you have chosen the model, if we look at the DJI panel, you should see your camera model. If you don't see it, then you're probably in the photo mode. Just toggle to video and it should pop up. Now for the second handy feature. Just go back to receiver settings and go right until you find power on off camera simultaneously. Select it and make sure it's turned on. And what this will do is when you turn off your camera, it will also turn off the receiver automatically, so there's less hassle. You turn your camera back on and the receiver jumps right back on. So now you can start capturing videos with your camera and also capture professional audio baked right in. Let me know if you found this useful and stay tuned for more.